Welcome to our cooking show. Today, we're delving into the colorful world of crepes, creating a dessert that engages all your senses. We're making a rainbow crepe cake, a delightful sensation of flavors and colors. So, without further ado, let's get started. Whisk together flour and sugar in a bowl to start your rainbow crepe cake journey. Add eggs, then gradually alternate between adding butter and warm milk to the mixture. Once the batter is smooth, divide it into 6 bowls. Add a few drops of food coloring to each bowl and whisk until the color is fully incorporated. Now let's get cooking. Heat a skillet. A bit of batter in, ensuring it spreads over the entire surface. Once bubbled and cooked, flip it. Repeat this for each colored batter. It's time to build your cake. Stack the crepes on top of each other, alternating colors: purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, with a layer of whipped cream in between each one. Once all the crepes are stacked, cover the entire crepe cake in whipped cream, so it's completely white on the outside. Slice the cake, revealing the rainbow layers. Enjoy your homemade crepe cake. Before we wrap up, I want to share an amazing tool that has helped countless people on their weight loss journey. If you're looking for extra support, I highly recommend trying out the URL in the description or in the first comment below. You will also find the full recipe and instructions in the description. It's been a game changer for many. Click the link to learn more and see if it's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more engaging content.